All aboard the game train, boys. And your hobo Franklin. Whoops.
And Conductor Steven.
Don't worry, the wall's good. The wall's good.
I was gonna say it sounded like you went right through the wall.
And you can play as Luigi.
By the way, did you guys ever know Derek Schwartz went straight through the wall in the Fellowship Hall when he was playing Scatterball?
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa, wait, what was that? Did you know that? What was that? What's his name again?
Derek Schwartz.
Derek Schwartz did hit a wall with playing Scatterball.
Well, he did. He was running and just went straight through the wall. Not kidding.
There was like a baseball player who died from an injury from running to a wall. Well, I'm not kidding.
Really?
Yeah.
When he died?
But that was back in the days when surgery wasn't all that good.
Wow.
It was 2 weeks after his injury. Anyway, make sure you get all the coins, Joshua.
Well, I'm never playing baseball again.
But again, I was trash at it.
When I saw one of the Indians games,
Yeah, same.
I want to say it was Brandon Geyer got hit in the face, like through the ball. It got hit back at him and bingo, just slammed the forehead.
You sure you don't do those coins, Joshua? You gotta get 30 of them. You only have 1.
Well, I better go back.
Yeah, I have 2. Have back in black.
I'm back in black.
Dun. Wait, can you go back?
Yes, sir. Well, I don't know.
Yeah, I can.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, the problem is the camera won't face the direction you're walking, so you're basically Crash Bandicooting through this.
Crash
No!
Bandicooting? What is Crash Bandicooting?
Well, what is that?
You're in a game Crash Bandicoot. Whenever you have to miss a box for completion, you have to backtrack, and the camera never really turns around, so it's always facing forward. So you never tell where you're going. It's just. You'll see when we play Crash Bandicoot for a channel.
What is that? A suicidal bird?
A suicidal bird. Dude,
Yes, it
the
is.
Nintendo releases his new enemy in Mario games. Next one's called Suicidal Bird. And that's a game over.
Can we get
A
a
death counter.
freaking death count in the chat
Dude,
for this recording
Dude, I'll be
session?
impressive if someone looks at the whole entire Sonic Galaxy 2 playthrough and counts every time Josh died.
Okay. Josh
Yes.
isn't gonna die.
One of the viewers, please do that so we don't have to go to the work of doing that, please.
It's too much effort, man.
Josh is gonna succeed first time. Maybe.
No.
Since you're because people work for us for free.
Okay, probably not.
Head in the clouds. Josh, why do you get your head in the clouds?
Oh, so Sebastian is in addition to trains, he's also super into planes.
Yeah.
And every time he
Is
says
he also interested in automobiles?
no. Every time he says something related to planes, Charlie, our Steam expert, goes off on him and he's like, "Hey, you're at a train place. Get your head out of the clouds."
Oh, by the way, back to my work story. Those yesterday, someone ordered a 1 sausage patty for his dog. He's like, "Hey, is there a way I can get the sausage single for my pupper?"
Your pupper?
Okay, he didn't say pupper, but he just says.
I love how Frank just made that up.
I know, but it's like, is there a chance I get 1 single sausage patty for my dog?
The suicidal horn bird. There we go.
The suicidal horn bird.
That's what I'm calling it.
Nintendo's innovation never stops.
Yes.
What's next after the suicidal horn bird? This is
The suicidal horn bird.
whoa!
Whoa.
Wow, you're just dripping creativity. It's just,
But this second horn's a different color.
yeah, one horn's yellow, the other one's horn's green.
The third one's red.
The suicidal 3 horn bird. Forget it. You have enough of that paragraph.
And then it becomes the suicidal falcon.
Suicidal falcon punch.
And then Peter steps in. "Excuse me, falcons are endangered. That's not happening."
No.
I call them the Atlanta Falcons.
The Atlanta Falcons. Wait, the Atlanta
No.
Falcons.
I said Atlanta.
Oh,
The Atlanta Falcons are endangered.
Oh,
No, Frank, what did you think I said? The Atlantis Falcons?
The Atlantis Falcons.
Wait, no. Frank, are you ready for this?
What?
The suicidal three-horned bird falcon from Atlantis.
Oh man, this is just.
Josh is rubbing off on me.
Oh my
I
gosh.
am.
Oh my gosh, this is just.
Oh my god.
I'm titling this episode "Suicidal Warbirds." What is Mexican car horns got to do with this?
Good question.
As no one said it was car horns. Wait a minute, no. You got this, Frank?
What?
The suicidal three-car horn falcon from Atlantis.
Why do you say car horn like carn horn?
I don't know.
You like put it end of carn. Oh wait, no, I said it.
Please.
You have enough.
No.
Wow, how could you fail that?
I missed them all.
You were in a position that you couldn't fail.
I missed them all.
But don't worry, there's enough. There's enough in the
I
next
have
planet for you to get.
24.
There's enough for you to get
Yeah,
next planet.
so.
Josh is in the perfect position to win, and he still loses.
It's like Northern Iowa versus Texas A&M. If you ever heard that game. So what happened was like a turn match. Like Iowa was up 63-53 in the last 5 seconds of the game. They had perfect opportunity to win.
60.
There is no way they. Okay, not 5 seconds. Like 2 minutes left in the game. They're
a big difference.
That's a huge difference.
That's a huge
No,
difference.
no,
5
no,
seconds and 2 minutes.
hold on. No, I'm sorry. I think it's a. I remember it was a time like it was like.
Hey, Josh.
Here's the thing. I believe it was a time where there's so much less time in the clock that they could just won easily.
Josh,
Go back down. You have no points.
Josh, this is a new thing in football, alright? We'll be back after this commercial break. We lead 63-53 at the 5-second warning.
What? No, this is a basketball game. This is a basketball game.
Oh.
5 second warning. Touchdown. Field goal.
Touchdown field goal in basketball.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I didn't know what time it was, but I knew it was enough. Like not enough time for him to come back.
Makes a half-court shot.
It was no. Here's the thing. It was like a computer say it was like a 99.9% chance of Texas A&M losing. Go on, yeah. And guess what happened?
They won.
They tied the game up and went to overtime and won. Like
this is basketball, I think.
and then LeBron James was like, if I was on Northern Iowa, I would have just quit playing basketball right then and there.
Yeah, I probably would too.
Because if you lost by having not that much time left on the clock for you to come back, and you're up by 10 points, then you should just quit basketball right there.
There's 33 seconds left. Tracy McGrady for 3.
Oh yeah,
He's got it.
Oh yeah, McGrady's unstoppable 3 points. 3 points, the 3-pointers in the game to come back from the
5 seconds and 2 minutes. Can we classify that as Frank's logic number 3?
Actually,
you might as well.
Tracy McGrady scored 13 points in 33 seconds.
He did. I saw like a highlight reel of that. Nice, nice.
And Josh died 33 times.
And Josh died
in
that
33
day.
seconds. 33 minutes.
Joshua died that day. Boy, things walking the
That
clouds.
sign said don't fall in. And what do? Falls in.
You need the cloud power up to walk in clouds, Joshua.
You need the cloud, Josh.
There's not very much brain functioning going on with Joshua Cloud.
Or me, or Steven. As I talk about very big time differences, and Steven talk about suicidal horn birds.
Well, that bird had a horn on it. And then it
It did. But then again, it went so far as saying suicidal falcon punch.
Oh, okay, but that was your addition.
But then because you said it transformed to suicidal falcons. Then there's Josh dying over and over again. My goodness.
Alright, this time we're gonna live.
You better live. Or else I'm gonna take that control from you.
Oh no! Quick. Pay attention, Steven.
Are you paying attention, Steven?
Yes.
Are you paying very close attention?
Yes.
You're not paying attention, Steven. You gotta pay extremely close attention.
Yeah,
You gotta have your eyeballs on the screen watching it.
You gotta have your eyeballs fully open.
Have your eyes wide open.
That time is up.
Oh, he's
Yeah,
almost.
my eyes.
Oh, it's been a game turning over Franklin.
Oh, I'm paying attention to your death now, Josh. And Conductor Steven.
And
We'll see you out in the gang rail. Goodbye.